Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of the day it is. Nice to see you. So, a little bit about your grades. So, your grades are going to be determined by whatever Edgenuity says your grades are. On Schoology, I'm just keeping track of the tasks you've completed. So, if you look there, you'll see that. Here, let me just show you real quick. If you look at your Schoology grades, you'll basically see blanks or ones, right? So you see there's just blanks and there's ones. I'm just keeping track of what you've completed, right? So a 1 means you've done it, a blank means it hasn't been done, okay? And you'll see your grades are NA, not applicable, because I'm going to get your grades off of the Edgenuity work. So in order to see what your grade is, you have to click on this icon right here for the course, and it'll open up this course map. And yeah, I haven't done anything. I'm a bad student. All right, and then come over here. You've got the course map. You've got your e-notes. And here is where you find your progress dashboard. So click on that, and here it has your progress overview. And so here you see I haven't done anything yet, and at this point I should have 15% of the work done. So I haven't even started. I'm really bad. And here it'll say what your overall grade is, and down here it'll have the grades by category, as it says, right? And so that's how you find out your grade. Hopefully yours doesn't say 0, and hopefully you are in the green ahead or the blue on target. And so I just wanted to show that to you guys so you can check your grade and see how you're doing. Let me know if you have any questions. Send me an email, a message through Schoology, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right then, take care now. Bye-bye.